What if I told you that training harder isn't what makes you look like a superhero? It's training with the right combination of strength, muscle, athleticism, and recovery. Most people chase the superhero look by doing more exercises, more sets, and more cardio, and end up exhausted instead of powerful. So today, I'm breaking down the full superhero training program, and the biggest mistake comes before you even touch a weight. Think about your favorite superhero. They don't just have big arms. They have broad shoulders, a powerful chest and back, strong legs, a solid core, and the ability to actually move. That means your training can't focus on just one goal. You need to build the physique and the engine underneath it. But here's where most people go wrong. They copy random superhero workouts from the internet. 100 push-ups here, 1,000 crunches there, maybe some curls. Then they wonder why their body doesn't change. The solution is much simpler. You need a system, and we're going to build it in layers. Layer 1, build the foundation. Before advanced techniques, you need the foundation. Think of your body like a skyscraper. You wouldn't build the top floor before creating a stable foundation. Your training works the same way. Start with 4 pillars: strength, muscle, conditioning, and recovery. For strength and muscle, center your program around major movement patterns: squat, push, pull, hinge, carry. Squat variations for your legs, bench or push-up variations for pushing strength, rows and pull-ups for your back. Romanian deadlifts or similar hip hinges for your posterior chain, and loaded carries to challenge your entire body. But here's the first light bulb moment. Don't train movements just to complete them. Train them to create tension in the muscles you're trying to develop. Take a squat. The wrong approach, you rush through the reps, bounce out of the bottom, and let your technique fall apart as soon as the weight gets heavy. The right approach, brace your core, keep your feet planted, control the descent, drive through the floor, and maintain your position as you stand. The weight is only the tool, your body is the machine. Now we move from foundation to appearance, because if your goal is a superhero physique, you want more than general strength, you want proportions. Think broad shoulders, a developed upper chest, a wide back, strong arms, powerful legs, and a tight-looking midsection. This is where isolation exercises become useful. After your major movements, add targeted work: lateral raises for the side delts, curls for the biceps, triceps extensions for the arms, calf work for lower leg development, and controlled core exercises for your midsection. But don't make the classic mistake. More exercises does not automatically mean more growth. If you're doing 12 exercises for chest, but every set is low quality, you're just accumulating fatigue. Instead, make your working sets count. Use a controlled range of motion. Stay close enough to muscular failure to create a strong stimulus, and progressively challenge yourself over time. Maybe that's one more rep. Maybe it's slightly more weight. Maybe it's better technique with the same weight. That's progressive overload. And it's one of the biggest differences between training and simply working out. You don't become superhero level by having one insane workout. You become superhero level by stacking hundreds of good workouts together. So here's your challenge. Forget the ego. Pick one exercise from your next workout and perform 10 absolutely flawless reps. Controlled, stable, full range of motion, no momentum. Then compare how those 10 reps feel to your normal 10. You might discover that you've been training your body, but not actually controlling it. Train smart, train consistently, and remember, the superhero physique isn't built in one workout. It's built by becoming stronger than you were yesterday.